Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Vinted account. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be any browser you normally use for everyday browsing. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar or address bar at the top of the screen so you can look up the Vinted website. Next, search for Vinted. Type the name clearly into the search field and review the search results that appear. You want to make sure you select the correct website, especially when creating an account on any platform. This helps you avoid unofficial pages and ensures you are signing up in the right place. When you see the Vinted official site in the results, click on it to open the home page. Give the page a moment to load fully. Once you are on the site, take a quick look around so you can locate the account access area. On most websites, options for signing in or creating an account are usually found near the top of the page. Now click on the option that says Log In or Set Up Account. This will open the account access screen where Vinted gives you different ways to register. If you are new to the platform, this is the point where you will choose how you want to create your account. One option is to continue with Google. If you prefer a faster sign-up process and already use a Google account on your device, click Continue with Google. You may be asked to choose an existing Google account or sign into Google first. Then simply follow the prompts that appear on screen to allow the connection and complete the setup. This method is often the quickest because some of your basic details can be carried over automatically. If you would rather sign up with an email address instead, select the email option and follow the on-screen procedure. You will be guided through entering your details and completing the account creation process. As you do this, make sure the information you enter is accurate and easy for you to access later, since you may need it for future logins or account verification. Take your time as you go through each screen and read any instructions carefully before moving forward. Once you complete the process using either Google or email, your Vinted account setup should be ready. That's it for this guide on setting up a Vinted account.